In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document on Pandadoc. Let's walk through the process from the very beginning so you know exactly what to expect. First, you'll receive an email invitation from Pandadoc. This email is sent by the person or company that needs your signature. Inside that email, look for a button that says Open Document. Go ahead and click that button. It will open your document in your web browser, so you don't need to install any extra software or log into an account just to sign. Once the document is open, you'll see the Pandadoc interface with the document in the middle of the screen. At the top right, there will be a button labeled Start. Click this Start button to begin the signing process. Pandadoc will automatically scroll and jump you straight to the first field that requires your attention, so you don't have to manually search through the pages. When you're taken to the first required field, look for the signature field. It's usually outlined in red or clearly highlighted, so it stands out from the rest of the document. Click directly inside that signature field. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear with options for creating your signature. In this pop-up, Pandadoc lets you choose how you want your signature to look. You can type your name and select a style. You can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, or you can upload an image of your existing signature if you already have one saved. Take a moment to pick the option that feels most professional and accurate for you. When you're happy with how it looks, click the Accept and Sign button in the pop-up. This will place your signature into the document in that red outlined field. After your signature has been placed, you may be taken to any remaining required fields, such as dates or initials, depending on what the sender has requested. Once all required fields are completed, look for the Finish button. This is usually found at the top and sometimes also at the bottom of the page. Click Finish to finalize everything. When you click Finish, your signed document is saved, and Pandadoc automatically notifies the person who sent it to you that you've completed your part. At this point, you're done, and you can close the browser tab, knowing your document has been successfully signed and submitted.